Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings. I am going to show you my first time going into Webull Desktop 4.0. So this is, I downloaded it maybe a couple of days, but I've been trading off of the website. So let's see. This is the website over there. So all of the settings that I have in there in the background, I'm going to go over the next few minutes on here live, see if I can set up my desktop, my Webull Desktop 4.0 exactly in the same manner. Without any further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so visit Learning Center to know more about the features of Webull Desktop 4.4. It's not, I say 4.0, it's Desktop, it's Webull for the Desktop 4.4. Oh, silly me, silly me. So the first thing that I would like to do on here, well, login. I don't think that I'm logging. So, oh my goodness, look at this fancy. Close it. All right. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so here's my Webull Desktop. And for whatever reason, it's behaving the way that it wants to behave. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do here is the settings. I'm going to choose the theme. Yes, I prefer it. Oh, better for my eyes. You have no idea. Okay. Okay, so 4.4 current is your current version. Fantastic. So it's already the latest version. So here I can decide, I want the red up or the green down, or do I want the red, green, and orange and yellow down? I mean, okay. So these are my settings. So my theme is going to look like this. My language is English. Okay, so those were the settings. In terms of trades, I can come here and set, okay, my limit quantity, limit order, extra extended hours. That's what I mean. So extended hours, stop loss order. So you can say your stop loss at 10%. Your take profit. Okay, this is interesting. You're taking profit. What are you taking profit at? So these are just your default, right? Meaning that's what you're going to have. So you can set this up. Quantity, frequently use shares quantity if you like. So default quantity for option order. Okay, so maybe if you're beginner, I don't know. For us, we usually advise 3, and shares you can toggle back and forth. So 3 on here. There's a reason for that, because of partial what do they call it? Not partial. The word I'm looking for is, yeah, when you're taking fractional shares. Yes, thank you, Telex. It took you forever. So fractional shares is the word I'm looking for. So, but these are just some default settings on their side, right? So we get out of that. So for me, the first thing that's for us, we wanted is setting up the layout. Really, that's also where I come. So day traders, practice paper trading for day traders, default US paper trader, US stock paper trader, paper trading layout. Okay, you can choose that, or you can make your own. Yeah, blank out paper trading layout. So how about we go to that, because that's and then that's helps us see the features. What can you add in there? Let me remove this guy on here. Okay, I don't know where that guy went, but that's okay. So you can bring in the chart, you can bring in the quotes, you can bring in key statistics, and then the thing on here that you're seeing in terms of quotes, okay, time, sale, volume analysis, all the order book, that they're all fine. Yeah, we will see them. So in terms of paper trading, active trade, paper account detail, positions, order, you can bring each and every one of these on. How do I do that? I click on it. Yeah, it comes out, the widget comes somewhere here, and then can you move the widget? Yeah, you can move the widget wherever you want it. So active trades, okay, maybe we put that under the accounts. Okay, $1 million. Yeah, I made $22,000, folks. Shorting what was it, NKLA, and a couple of other stocks. So yeah, this is paper account, folks. Paper account P&L. Okay, paper account P&L. I don't know why it's so big. Yeah, so why do they want to make it so big? Can I reduce this? Can we reduce it here? Nope, we cannot. So paper account P&L is something that is really big. in here. So can we move this one here? Okay. So will that give us a room here? All right. Paper account P&L. So paper account detail is here, but paper account P&L, it's even bigger. I don't know, man. What's up with that? I don't know. So what else do I want to put in there? Maybe not paper account P&L. What if I want to remove it? So can I exit out of there? Yes, remove this widget. This is how you do it. So because paper account P&L, I'm not sure what else is showing me. Okay, percentage, whatever. But why did it make it so big? So let's X out of that on here. We have the P&L on here with the buying power and everything. So position, yes, we want to see our position. Oh, actually, here we go. Here are our positions. So, yeah, quantity minus 200, meaning that I am short 200 shares of a GME. Market value, I'm losing on it. Oh my goodness. Oh dear. No, that's not my market value. Market value is you multiply the quantity by the stock of the price. So unrealized P&L is this. So meaning, yeah, I'm making money out of this. But shouldn't it be green? Okay, so I'm up 15% on NKLA or on the. Okay, so we are just going through Webull 4.4, desktop 4.4, and it's setting on here in this as we're familiar with it. The part where we want to go into is this. Okay, this is it here. So you go onto stock on here, then you can see financial statement, order flow, press release, corporate action, analysis, short interest, institutional, ETF weighting, and then the company profile when you are trading stock on here. So maybe let's bring order flow in. Yeah. So can we put the order flow on here? And then they are giving us SPY as the default stock. What if for us right now we go to a stock? This is during live trading session, folks. So how about FedEx? Yeah. Large scale orders in the last 5 days. So okay, it's good to know. So meaning that they're helping you here, give you some history, outflow, inflow of money over the last 4 days. So okay, that's good on there. So news, people like news. Okay, so maybe we'll put news here for your stock of interest. And again, you have to type on that stock. Let's see, actually, let's see what happened if, let's say, I put a stock in here on the top. Let's put Tesla here on the top and see if the other screen there changes automatically. Oh dear. Oh dear, what did I do? What did I do? I just did something that I didn't want to do. Okay, so we lost wish that I wanted. Would they wish that we have by doing this? So, okay, that's not what we were looking for. That's not what we were looking for. Recently viewed. So by going that, this is what happened. So I am not sure. So for me, I was in the middle of creating my widget, and then I type in Tesla into the browser window, and this is what happened, because when you do that, they bring you the default. So let's go back and continue setting up our own widget. Oh, here we go. We just have to click on it. Oh yeah, but I haven't saved it. Save paper layout. So here is how you save that paper layout. So we're gonna call this one Telex paper demo, and we're spending the time here on the demo just to show you because of the layouts if you're on here on the first time. So analysis, financial statement, you can bring them in if you would like, right? So the part so we did we bring the active trade on here? Yeah, so buy 100 and market. This is where you can do those trade. And okay, and again you will have to enter that on here as we said earlier. So that, what else do we want to add in here? Screeners, watch list, system message, alert message, my alerts, trade message. Okay, so you want, for instance, order notice to let you know whether or not your order was failed. Okay, so you can put it in here. Okay, and let's say market, index chart. So this is, let's say, yeah, you're watching the market, the overall market, what is doing, right? So that's how you will get that. Then for the market here, you can get all type of things. You can say, okay, hot ETF, hot stock. Here are the hot stock, for instance, according to this. So now I am embarrassed because of space, but you get an idea. I mean, for me, maybe I remove the chart of the indexes. Yeah, top gainers, top losers. So you get the hot stock in here at any point of time in terms of, well, hot stock. What do they say? High dividend stock. Okay, so they have list of hot or high dividend stock, high earnings beyond expectations. Or okay, that's what they mean by hot stock. Hot stock on Webull, meaning that other stock that people on Webull are trading. I think, okay, so you may be interested in this. Yeah, you may be interested in this. So because you can rank it by percentage popularity calculated based on the trading activity on Webull clients. The more clients purchase and hold the stock, the higher the percentage probability. Okay, so these are the stocks that are popular. What a surprise! Apple. Apple is moving this morning, but okay. So you get the idea here into this layout. There's so many things. The heat map. Okay, if you want to see the heat map by sectors. Okay, by sectors and industry. For instance, you can say, hey, let me look into the healthcare provider. Most of them. Oh man, the red color is the best one. Red is the best. Okay, is that something that I did in my settings? Because clicking red. Oh, this is what happened. Aha, this is what happened. Because I chose this one red up. Oh boy. Yeah, then I was like, okay, that doesn't make sense. All right. Okay, more like you like it. Yeah, because PNL that was red. Sorry about that, folks. Okay, it took us quite a while to discover this. Oh my goodness. Fantastic. But you get the gist of this, of how to use your paper account on here. So the heat map is something that you can decide to position. For me, my problem with this is, can I make this thing big, smaller? So I just wanted to, oh, okay, we did take it smaller here. Okay. But what else is of interest to us? Then you see the global market. Advancing and declining distributions. I mean, all of these are to help you set up your strategy. So let's say you have this, okay? So maybe we will remove this. I don't know where to put it as of now. So here's my, if I want to take a trade, right? So did we miss something on here? Order entry, active trade. This is active trade. Where's my order entry? Okay, add an order. Place simulated order. Okay, so I can say, let's go to FedEx here. This is just the stock, right? Okay, but I don't know what that order was. Buy 10. Okay, so this was buy. Here I'm gonna toggle. If I want to short it, I'm gonna be shorting it like this. Yeah. So I just did that order, just order entry, limit price of 294.81. This is good until, so meaning I'm saying that for the duration of the day, including extended hours, I want this order to be true. So this is how you will go about putting in an order. So buy FedEx, yeah, buy limit, or you can, instead of limit, you can say market. So let's say if I go at market and I'm buying 10 shares of FedEx, let's say extended hours, I mean, as of now saying no, but let's say place this order, submitted successfully. So now I will need to know whether or not that order was filled. And so let's go order notice, traded message. Okay, that's a simulated order, but I mean, I actually want to trade it. Okay, so simulated is good, but active trade. Okay, so so let's come here, FedEx. Yeah. So buy 100 FedEx, order settings. So number of shares. Okay, here I can say I'm buying 10%. Buy 10% of FedEx at the market price. This is fractional share buying. Submitted successfully. Okay. Order entry. I will need to see something here. Order entry. I want to see that an order has actually been executed. Aha. All of those orders were executed, folks, because look at my position. FedEx. I have 331 shares. How did I get to 331 shares? Because let's do this again. Oh, this is fractional share at best. All right. So here I can say okay, so let's do this. So number of shares, I can say 10, 50, 100, 500 shares. Yeah. And then buy them like that. So 10. And then it comes your buy 10 FedEx at bid or at market. So if we do that, look how when we do that here, we're going to say at markets because we want it. So it should go to 341 shares. So buy. Let's see how long it takes, though this is a paper account. It's taking quite a while. 341. Here you go. Yep. This is that's. But now, what if I say I just want to buy fractional shares of it, and then my percentage I can vary them here, 12%, 40%, whatever. So yeah, this is what's fractional shares is. Oh, this guy is back. Okay, so and normally, and let's say this, there's a little bit of lag. So confirm 26%. So buy 26% of FedEx shares at market. That the stock is 200 something, 295, 20 or 30% of that. You get the idea, just short of $100 instead of $295. And then when you do that, the number of shares will change here. Just test. Okay, so for us, you were able here in this Webull Desktop 4.4 setting up. We have actually, this is a layout that you can use. We went through, let's say, getting the course. Oh, we didn't get, let's say, the order book to take a look at volume analysis. This is something that's nice. Volume analysis helps you see where, oh boy, can we find a space for this thing? Yeah, maybe we put that on top of the flow. I don't know if that's going to work, but volume analysis is something that we're going to be talking about. So this is for SPY. Okay, let's go back to FedEx. Okay, not sure what happened on here. We may have, I don't know if it was delayed, but it's saying now that we have 1,000 shares of FedEx. For us, we were buying 26% at FedEx. Yeah, I'm not sure why 1,041, because we put in several orders, remember, initially, so we were buying 100, but I don't think, did I put 1,000 in that? It was 341 earlier, so that's interesting. Okay, so this tells you where the money is going by levels. Yeah, that's what that is. So the order book is just the levels on here. Again, this is going to SPY by default. SPY is up 1.45%, folks. The market is definitely going up while for us we are doing this. So for FedEx, this is the depth of the orders. Yeah, you can see how many shares on both sides as can bid. They are in there. That's what it is. Time of sales. Okay, this is level 2, I believe. It's not available for this security. Okay, but this is something that they say they give me for free. Okay, that's fine. So key statistics. What is in key statistics? Again, they start with SPY as a default. That's a boomer on there, so you have to just change it every single time for your stock. So all right. Open, high, low volume, I mean market cap, those type of things. Okay, so that's in there. Yeah, okay, we are making money. I don't know, we made a mistake on here on so let's see. Now what if I say that I want to sell, let's say 26% of my position? Oh, okay, I think when we say order settings, we bought 26% of already of which we had. Okay, let me trying to sell for FedEx at the market on here. Hey, we are making money on that, so I'm selling 26%. What happens? Let's say that we want to see the number of quantity here reduce, right? Okay, that's what happens. So meaning, okay, this is here order settings on here for us on here. I think 26% of that. So earlier when we said we added 10%, okay, if I want to sell another 26%, actually, let's say I want now, let's just for good measure, I'm gonna say I want to sell 50% of that. Oh my goodness, can it go any? Oh, make it TEDx, maybe you can. Oh, this is live, folks. This is live. This is what happened. Enjoy technology. I don't know about the technology under. You see, that's why we redo this desktop review of Webull 4.4, and this happened, folks, live. So buy, no, I want to sell 50% of that. I want to see this number go to 50% lower, 404. So let's do this and see how long it takes. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Ding! Congratulations. Excellent, folks. So, and the last thing here, let's save this. Yeah. And actually, let's do the setup now. It's going to go faster. Sorry that we took up so much time for this Webull Desktop 4.4 setting up. This is just exciting stuff. So again, have I saved this layout? I thought I saved this layout. So let's save this layout again as a TBP paper to the Learning Center. Okay, this is how you go about setting this up for the first time. So you go to trade. Yeah, so I'm going to create a brand new one. So just for us on here, we're wasting enough time like this. So I'm going to say new board, and I'm going to say here, let's say, so this one, I saved it. I created this one. So we want to create something like this. The first time you come here, you're going to have blank, normal, and multi-trade. Oh, multi-trade is nice, actually. We had multi-trade. It will look something like that. Meaning you have the ability to trade 3 stocks at the same time. How high can you go? I think 4. Let's go there, and let's take new board and multi-trade. They will ask you how many you want, up to 4. So vertically or horizontally. So 4 if you want 4. Bang. So okay, they have to come by default like this, but I can use FedEx. I can use who am I? I'm not even looking at NKLA today, am I? So I can use, okay, if I want to take SPY, it's moving today. First day of the month, SPY is like, oh, SPY means business. So I can do Wells Fargo. Yeah. So you have 4 of them on here. We're going to do a better job describing this feature overall. I mean, limits, you can buy at a limit. You can put number of shares, 10, 50, 100, 500. You can go percentage. This is the fractional shares, because I was like earlier, couldn't 25%, 50%, and so forth. Yeah, this is how you will go about setting that up. And then buying or selling, and then time in force, always day, or then stop loss. You specify your stop loss, and then your profit taking automatically you can set it up before. So, and then you have your ability to trade 4 stocks on here very easily. You don't have to switch screens all at once. Okay, so that's the 4 trade one. But for us, let's go back in here, create something blank. How you go about setting your 4 blank. So when you start like this, click here to add widget. Okay, you have to go to, well, you can definitely add your watch list. So for me, for instance, I created the Telex Webull watch list. Yeah, there's nothing fancy into this watch list or anything, right? So if I click on it at any point of time, I can edit it. There's not much in there as of now. So let's say, yeah, if we go to watch list, oh my goodness. So Telex watch list. This is how you edit a watch list. You can add a new watch list on here. Whatever, then specify the currency, save. Yeah, add a symbol. So here, let's add paper. Let's add, I don't know, square, because they go hand in hand. Let's add Roku. This stock already, that's good, Telex. Let's add Roku. Let's add B1. You know, those were the big stocks for 2020, yeah. Twilo. All right, so this is your watch list on there. But again, this is really not what's for us. We set out to do, yeah. But you get the idea then how your watch list is going to be like. Okay, so let's go back here again. I want to create. Yeah. So I was in here. What brought us here was that we click here. We wanted to add from blank. We want to add widgets, and then you can add your watch list, your positions. I don't have any positions as of now. Your orders, okay. Can they show me the watch list? Yep. So then you move it somewhere, maybe here, and you say I want the Telex watch list, for instance. All right, but it is here that's for us. So you want to trade options, right? Again, they don't have paper options as far as we know as of now. So, but live options, this is where you put them. So for me, let's say I want that really to be center. So, okay. All right, so because I want this to okay, so here's the option chain. Here's the number of strike that you can move, 20 or whatever. And as of now, this is the thing. The quotes are delayed by 15 minutes. Come on, Webull. Come on, Webull. And for reference only. That's nonsense. So you want to see that as a chart. Oh, you need to add a link. So as a table, this is how you view them anyway. So the calls are here on this side. The puts are here on this side. The expiration. This is this coming Friday. The weeklies. This is the week after that. The week after that. The week after that. Here they're not saying anything here because the third Friday of expiration. So typically some platform they will just call it December 20th. Everybody will know that that's what they mean. Yeah, no, normally, yeah. So in this case on here, this is how it will be going. Like right now, they're telling me that these quotes are not live. So meaning that for me, if I wanted, let's say, to trade the 127 calls expiring on Friday, 3 days from now, this is how much could I be paying for them. The price has changed. This is delayed a little bit, trust me, a little bit. But let's say if I click on it, click set as a group and make sure the option widget is in the same group with a trade widget. Okay. Okay, I am not sure exactly what they mean by that, but so here's my bid price, here's my ask price. Click set as a group. Okay. Okay. Okay, we will make sure to see that. So what do we want here? So we want the option, let's say active trade. But active trade is bringing in for us, let's say, just, yeah, we want the chart, don't we? We want to see the chart at some points, yeah? You can put it there. The time of the sale. And this is the ordering, how to place the order for in here. So, but in here they're asking me to set as a group. I have seen that, but I haven't set as a group. Yeah. Set as a group. Okay. Okay, so group 1, I'm guessing. So whatever group that I want to pick in there, let's say if I want this, set as a group and make sure the option widget is in the same group with the trade widgets. Okay, so set as a group, I'm gonna say group 1. Okay, is that a trade widget? Okay, what will happen then? Let's just go here. Beautiful. This is how you place an order, folks. Hey, it requires some learning, but I discovered it live. So you set this option group as a trade. So Apple on here, I don't want Apple, so I'm gonna say FedEx. Why will I not want Apple? No, nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. But you just saw as I change it, right? Let's go back to Apple, folks. AAPL. This is on my live account, so you will see that process all along. So again, how do we do that? You click on the option that you want. So these are the options on here. So again, this 127, bid, ask, then asking us here to place an order. When you click on the ask, they assume that you're gonna be buying. Yeah. So for you, you say, oh, I want to buy number of contract. Yeah. So I want to buy 1 contract. Time in from 32 cents. That's their limit price. You can vary your limit price. Right now they are going for, but this is delay, so the price could be different on here, right? Day in force, TI, the famous TIF, time in force rather. So you say day, and this here they're helping you out to say, okay, your max loss is obviously if you're buying options, calls and put, the maximum you can lose is the maximum that you put in. So in this case, since it's gonna be my $32 in there, so that's the maximum. Your max profit is unlimited. Your break even with is need that the stock needs to reach 132. This break even is in regard to Friday, yeah, in order, and then you can place your order accordingly. I'm not gonna place my order as of now, but you get that. The key thing on here is, hey, this has to be with so you set the option chain in the same group as a trade. Okay, that's way because they're using that ordering a widget such that it will switch to know, oh, now you're trading options, and they change that from stock to options. That's really basically the gist of it on here. And then you just put your order screen as you will, right? My watch list is of no interest to me whatsoever. The chart, yes, the chart is of interest to me. This is not of no interest to me if I don't trade the stocks. I want the chart. Let's say my watch list for now, I'm going to put them away. The chart, can I make the chart bigger? Okay, and my trade, I put it here. What did I put here? My positions. Yep, that's important because I need to know when I buy something where it is. So here is an example of a setup. So I have my options in here. How do I do that? By just clicking on here. So you come here, you click on there, you got this. Your chart is here. My chart, I can add my indicators here. So let me say my Bollinger Band, and I can actually go edit my indicators. I'm going to say my indicators on my Bollinger Band, for instance, I want, oops, not that one. When I select it, I want my Bollinger Band, that my style, which is my colors. And here the middle, I want it to be white. That's how we usually have it on our trading view. Red for the upper Bollinger, the lower Bollinger, you know, that's going to be purple. Yeah, or there, but you can choose any color you want, and then here it is. And then the nice thing is that set as a group. Okay, fantastic. So meaning all of these things now, they are related. Yeah, so that the set as a group feature under it's this thing on here. So I have this ordering, all of them, they are part of the same group. So what else do I need to put a set as a group? I can do here. Let's go ahead and do that. So set as a group. Fantastic. So all of these things, my chart, my trade tickets ordering, my option, and then my positions on here will be a part of that. So what other indicator can I add on here? Line style. Yeah, we want candle. So if I want to add another indicator, we won't like moving average, exponential moving average preferably. Edit indicators. So I go to EMAs. This is one. This is them here. Yep. I just select them. So I like the 8 and the 20. So 8 and 20 was already the case. So style, I'm activating them going through style. So 8 is here. 8 is usually yellow for us. So we will do this. The 20 will be going here. And the 20 is usually greenish, thereabout. Those are the only two I'm selecting. But look at how many they are giving you here, my friend. That's really good. Right? So, and then I zoom in. And then for me, I say 15 minutes. I like to use 15 minutes intraday. And I just do this to move it that way. So I can see here. Oh, last but not least, the most important indicators, folks, as we close this Webull Desktop 4.4 or 4.0, whatever that you like a review. So VWAP, I'm just going to say edit indicators. Again, I click on VWAP by indicator. It's all, I select it, and then for me here, we used to have it orangey. So if you don't know the hexadecimal, you just go into that here, and let's say, yeah, you don't need to know the hexadecimal value for those, and you put it on here, and that's it. All right, folks. So I can see that my VWAP, can I zoom in? My VWAP is at 121. I mean, and then can you detach this, detach, easier said than done. Drawings, yeah, you can draw if you would like, but I thought you can detach this, set as group. So if you want to detach this, you can, chart, or obviously settings, I mean, you have all of these features on here, that's, you can definitely do in advanced charts. I think we're already in advanced charts. So, okay, this let's stop in here. We're going to come back. This was just an intro, but a long intro. Sorry about that. We're going to edit the video to see to get just the gist of this. So that's it for Webull Desktop and setting it up for your paper trading and your option trading on the live account. Okay, thank you everybody. We catch you on the next episode. Bye bye.